LHY 转码教程 Transcoding tutorial. First, the required video needs to be cropped to a resolution of 5:7:2. Open the video editing software. New project. Import the video that needs to be cropped. Find and adjust the aspect ratio and resolution, and select Custom. Change the resolution to 540 for *72. At this point, you will see the LHY display screen appear. Now, unleash your imagination and fine-tune the scene you like. The file name must be BITRC when exporting and saving. Reconfirm that the resolution must be 540 for *72. After closing the editing software, locate the LHY decoding archive and decompress it. After completing the unzipping process, locate the previously edited video file. Copy it into the decoding file. Then run the Transcoding program directly. Wait for the program to complete automatically. Press any key to end after completion. At this point, the file we have transcoded will appear next to it. Remove the TF card from LHY and insert it into the computer. Find the file that has been transcoded. Simply copy this file into LHY's TF memory card. This completes the process.